Hi everyone, I hope my video and audio is clear for you. So let me hear it in the chat section. So I need some confirmation. So with that, let me start the session as soon as possible, guys. Okay, so you can tell me in the chat section, guys. I'm waiting for the students to join the live today. So this is a very important session, guys. Today I have took it the very crucial session, that is the documents required for NEET 2021 application form. As you all know that we are in the verge of, like, anytime we can expect the NEET 2021 application form to be released, because the exam dates are rushed by officials from NTA, because you know the reason. JEE 2021 third and fourth sessions are very urgently made the decision, like July 20th to 25th the third session and 27 to August to the fourth session. So they are in very urge. So I think NTA will release the application form as soon as possible. So from our side, we need to be very careful, guys. So I will make sure, I suggest you guys to prepare these lists. Okay, I will always suggest you highly to make these things prepared before the urge of application forms. Okay, so once again, I hope my video and audio is clear, guys. So let me hear it in the chat section. If my video and audio is clear, let me straight away start today's session, guys. Okay, so can you hear me clearly? So give thumbs up button if you can hear me. Yes guys, okay, so it's getting loading for me. I hope it is clear. Yes, okay, one sec, guys. Wait, let me start straight away. Yes sir. Okay, yeah, so we can expect NEET 2021 application form, no? So from our side, we need to be very careful. That's why I will highly suggest you guys. So these are the 6 documents you need to make it very ready for your NEET exam before your NEET application. The first and foremost thing is passport size photograph. Okay, first I will tell you the lists. After this list, I will explain you what are the features of a particular list, and there are some rules given by NTA last year. I will explain that also, don't worry. Okay, the first one you have to definitely should have is passport size photographs, and then postcard size photograph, scanned copy of signature, your signature, left hand thumb impression, class 10 pass certificate, identity proof. Okay, so these are the 6 things, guys, you need definitely. Okay, so afterwards, now I'm going to explain everything in detail, guys. So we have discussed about 6 things, no, 6 set of things for a NEET 2021 application form. I'm going to explain each and everything in detail. The first and foremost thing is passport size photograph, guys. Okay, you need to have your passport size photographs at least 10 to 20 copies. Okay, because when you are going for the counseling, or when you are going to write your exam on the exam day, they will ask some of your pictures. Okay, they will ask your passport size photographs, and after that, if you go for the counseling also, when you are going to get your medical seat, prestigious white coat and stethoscope, at that particular time you need to submit 8 to 10 copies of your passport size photographs that you have applied in the application form, that you are going to apply in the application form. No, the same picture you have to submit while the counseling. So I will always suggest you guys to take 10 to 20 copies of passport size photographs. Okay, so there are some rules for this. A scanned image. Okay, this is for total after NEET exam also, for exams also, for counseling also 10 to 20 copies. For application process, you need to scan, guys. Okay, since you have to upload it in the online in application form portal, so you need to have the scanned image of passport size photograph taken. The size of that photograph should be between 10 KB to 200 KB. Make sure this is very important. 10 KB to 200 KB is your size of the passport size photograph, guys. Okay, I hope it is clear. And what is the format means? It should be in the JPG format. There are some websites and softwares available in the Google. You can convert the formats and you can compress the images. There are a lot of options. I will discuss it in the later section of this video. Now let me explain the features. Okay, it should be in JPG format. It is taken at least in the last 6 months. Okay, in the last, you have to take that picture, you have to submit that picture that you should have taken in the last 6 months only, or last 1 year only, not more than that. Okay, highly suggested that you should submit those images that you have taken recently. That is in under 6 months. Okay, and fine, and it should be a colored photo, guys. It should not be a black and white photo. It should be a clear colored photo, and your mandatorily your background should be white, guys. Okay, and your background should be very very white, and it's need not to be any color like blue, green, yellow, like that. Your background should be white. Okay, and most importantly, there is some feature. You tell your photographer, okay, your photographer who is going to take your picture, no, tell them that 80% of the photo should be your face, and little when it covers like up to this chest mark, that is more than essential, and your ears should be visible, guys. Both of your ears should be visible, and 80% of the photo should be your face. Okay, this is the mandatory things they have clearly mentioned last year, but actually no, so it is not 100% mandatory. You should do, if you do these these kind of things, means it is highly helpful, and it's highly suggested. Okay, and it's not mandatory, but try to do it. Okay, scanned images between 10 KB to 200 KB is very very important. JPG format is important, and background is important, and straight away guys, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சில விஷயங்கள் இருக்கு, you should do it. Okay, this is for passport size photographs. I hope you have understood this. Okay, so guys, now we came to the second thing, that is your postcard size photographs, guys. Okay, when it comes to your postcard size photographs, if you have memories, means I will tell you last year. Okay, so can you guys hear me? Last year the one thing happened that there were some speculations and confusions regarding postcard size photo, that you have to bring the postcard size photo to the exam hall, so that only the examiners will allow you to write your exam. Like that, some confusions were there. So since those confusions were there the last year only, we are suggested to take one postcard size photo of the same picture. So the picture that you took for the passport size photograph, no, you have to upload the same picture but in a different resolution, like a postcard size photo. Okay, how to upload in a postcard size? What is mean by postcard size? Means a rectangular shape like this, so it should be 4 inches by 6 inches, guys. Okay, it's the resolution. If you tell your photographer, he will clearly take it for you. So you ask him that I need the same picture when what I uploaded for the passport size photograph, I need the same picture like in the postcard size. Okay, so it should be 4 inches by 6 inches, guys, and the format is also should be JPG format, and most importantly the file size should be 50 KB and in between 50 KB and 300 KB, guys. Okay, so of course it is also a colored photo. The photo that you took above, no, the passport size, the same photo should be there, but only the change is resolution. Okay, you have to make it like 4 inches by 6 inches, that's all. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Do you have any doubt till now? If you have any doubt, kindly let me know, otherwise we will move ahead. Okay, yes, I think no doubts till now. Do you have any doubts, guys? I hope so. எதுவும் இல்லை நினைக்கிறேன். Okay, so no doubts. Okay, we will push ahead, guys. Okay, so when it comes to the third one, that is your signature. You should upload the scanned images of your signature, guys. It's very very important. Scanned images of your signature. Okay, so what are the rules for uploading your signature? The first and foremost thing, you have to write your signature. You have to make your signature in a white sheet, clear cut white sheet. You have to make your signature, and it should be, of course, it should be in running letters only. The initial maybe my name is R Sudharshan. Okay, this is my name. Okay, so if my name is like this, means I have to make a sign like my initial like R, then and yes, it should be capital, and after that everything is like a running letter, small letter. Okay, guys, so the sign should be like this. Okay, I hope you understood this. So it should be in running letters and no capitals, guys. Okay, you should not write like this. Okay, your sign should not be like this, and your sign must be like this. Okay, I hope you have understood. It should be written in a white sheet, and take a photograph and convert it into a rectangle mari. Okay, you change it into a rectangular shaped picture. That is more than essential. Okay, guys, and the next and foremost important thing is, usually, when we were preparing for our NEET examinations, I wrote NEET exam in 2019. We were preparing for NEET examinations. We are not asked to upload the left hand thumb impressions. Okay, usually it will be done at the exam hall itself. Okay, an exam hall, one exam will come to you and he will ask your left hand thumb impression at the exam hall itself. Since it is a COVID pandemic is going on, we could not make the thumb impressions. COVID might spread to one another, so the NTA examiners have suggested us to upload the left hand thumb impression along with the application form itself. Okay, so for that, what they did now, so we have to upload the left hand thumb impression in the application form from our home itself. The thing is that how you should do, so you take your left thumb, so you should dip your left thumb in a blue ink. Okay, blue ink, or like do it try to in a blue ink. Otherwise, if you have the patch, means so that there will be a patch like for fingerprinting. So if you have, means very good. So if you don't have, means try to immerse in a blue ink, and after that paste your left hand thumb impression in a white paper, guys, and now take the photo clearly. Okay, try to make 3-4 thumb impressions, so it suits better. Which suits better, you take a picture. Okay, among the 3-4 impressions that you made, you think and decide whether which among the 4 is better, and you take the photo of that best picture, okay, of your thumb impression. Okay, after that, after taking a photo, crop it into a rectangle box. Okay, the size of your box should be between 10 KB to 50 KB, guys. Your image should be in JPG format, and the size should be between 10 KB to 50 KB. Clear? I hope it is clear for you. And the next foremost thing is class 10 passing certificate. It will be given in your examiner's board itself when you are preparing, when you have completed your class 10, and if you got your results along with the 10th mark sheet, migration certificate will be given, pass certificate will be given. So these are very important for you. So NTA may ask you to upload your 10th mark sheet or 10th any proof for your passing the 10th, okay, class 10. So it's very essential. So we will know the detailed version of about this document in the NTA brochure, guys. Okay, NEET 2021. Once the application form is launched officially by NTA, means they will release a information brochure. Okay, they will release a information brochure. So in the brochure, they will clearly explain to you, so what are the documents you need to upload for 2021 application form. So in that, we will get the complete clarity about the class 10 passing certificate. Okay, so it should be obtained from the school. So it's called pass certificate in something and 10th mark sheet in some schools. Okay, so try to obtain it from your school as soon as possible, and the size should be between 100 to 400 KB, guys. Okay, so these are the 5 most important documents I need you guys to keep it ready before your application form starts. Okay, so that once your application form starts, and they will give some 25 days for you to fill that application form, and you will not be in an urgent situation. You will be comfortably placed there. You will have everything, guys. Okay, and one most important thing I have to mention here, that is your identity proof, guys. You need any identity proof for you as a student. Okay, you parents, you need to have the identity proof for both of your parents. It's very essential, guys. Okay, because in application form you need to mention your parent details and study details like that. So everything you need to mention in the application form. So I will suggest you to guys keep yours and parents ID proof along with you. It may be a Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID, etc. So there will be some more things like this. So passport, like this, anything is okay, but in that ID proof, it should have your name, your parents' name, your address if possible. So like these things, guys, that is more than essential according to the application form for NEET 2021 up to this time. When we receive a official information brochure for NEET 2021, I will intimate you. I will suggest some changes if any mentioned in the application brochure. Otherwise, you can upload this, guys. Don't worry. When the application form is released officially, I will help you to solve how to apply for the NEET 2021 officially step by step. I will try my level best to explain you the step-by-step process of NEET 2021 application. So for that, like, share, subscribe our channel. So it's Unacademy Sapiens. So like, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, do share to your friends, so that many of them are in confusion, like what are the documents we require, since the NTA is releasing very lately, whether we will be urged to fill the application form very soon. So like that, many of them are fearing about this. I will hardly suggest, guys, be prepared, be ready, make these documents ready from your side, so that you will be in a comfortable position when application form is released officially by NTA. I hope this video have cleared something in your mind, and this have given clarity. If it's really so do like, share this to your friends. Take care. Thank you all. It's a time for doubts. If you have doubts, means you can answer in the comment section, guys. Okay, so you can answer it in the chat section as well as you can ask in the comment section. So it's your time, guys. You can ask it. So do you have any doubts, anyone? Do you have any doubts, guys? I will wait for some while so that you can ask your doubts. I will try to resolve. Okay, so I am expecting the dates around the second week or first week of September, but I will hardly suggest you guys to prepare the NEET 2021 as of August 15. Okay, it's although it's very less chance of possibility, I will suggest you guys to prepare for the NEET 2021 as on August 15, so that when it is postponed further, means when the officially the news comes that it will be postponed further, like first week of September, means you will be in a position like you can extend some 650 marks to 700 plus marks if you have prepared for August 15 very efficiently, guys. So it's possible. Definitely, as a future doctor, you can do it. Prestigious white coat and stethoscope is waiting for you guys. So try to give your complete 200% towards this process, and definitely will achieve your success and goal. So it's my wishes from Sudharshan from Unacademy Sapiens. I hope this have helped you. Take care, guys. Thank you all. I hope no doubts from your side. I think so. I will leave. I will complete the today's session on Unacademy. We'll complete, guys. Soon I will meet in different sessions. Take care. Thank you all. Bye bye.